Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you secret cache method review. Discover secret cache method, a game-changing system that reveals the hidden secrets to generating income on autopilot. This method is 100% legal and doesn't require any special knowledge or skills. It is definitely something worth looking into. Guys, creator of this product secret cache method, Abdul Rahim, I'm going to show you step by step all the information what you will get inside the members area. And this product goes live on 1st of October 11 a.m. EST. Guys, creator of this product Abdul Rahim, and he actually want to tell you the story and how he liked this affiliate marketing business, and also want to encourage you to grow your home-based business. Okay, here is the full details. Just click the link in my video description below and read the full information what he actually shares with you. Okay, and this product price is only $12. No upsell and downsell OTO on this product, guys. Just only one product. They will provide the ebook basically. And the truth about this secret cache method is you will know exactly how to drive traffic to offers without stress or wasted effort. You will know a secret that will allow you to success the very core of affiliate marketing. So no problem, they will provide a secret affiliate marketing traffic source. So you must need to good traffic source to making money online, guys. Okay, and making you unstoppable in this field. Imagine being able to buy what you want and set your own schedule. This is possible for you with the power of affiliate marketing without any need for physical presence. And the best part about this, it's just one of many ways to earn an extra income online. Affiliate marketing will allow you to fire your boss and work on a business that doesn't require much effort. Okay guys, and start your journey today. Link in my video description below. Also they will provide bonuses, and here is, guys, you can see the two testimonial. Okay, you can also watch this testimonial. If you click here, just they actually share his experience. Okay, so you can also watch it before purchase. And also they will provide 30 days money back guarantee. They will provide also bonuses, guys, that I will give you. Guys, you can see 100% clear 30 days money back guarantee. That means you have got nothing to lose. Okay, and they will provide bonus. I'm going to show you all the bonuses step by step. Guys, if you are serious to make money from online, if you want to build your online business, then you can also click the link in my video description below. Build an online business here, and you will be able to learn $300 to $700 per day profits method, even if you have zero experience. Also you can sell your course online. Just join this training course, only $7 price. Okay, and create your own course and sell it for up to $997 in the next 7 days. And how to make your first 1,000 online. Here is also the training course and the new system to launch an online business 2023. Also you can join this training course. These three training course creator Orlen Amakar, who is the founder of System.io, and the #1 training course creator Rose Minseb, the platinum affiliate marketer on ClickBank. Okay guys, I hope you understand how you can make money online. And right now I will introduce all the bonuses that will provide the Abdul Rahim. Inside you will access all these bonuses inside the members area of secret cache method. Bonus number 1, bonus 25-minute video, YouTube mass traffic strategy, they will also reveal. And bonus number 2, 30-minute video, Facebook traffic strategy. And bonus number 3, 40-minute video. And this all bonus, guys. You can see bonus number 4, 40 minutes video. This is the mistakes. Okay, this page is under constructions because this product, this training course and this ebook goes live on 1st of October 11 a.m. EST. And this is all those things that you can see here on the sales page, guys. So you have no problem. This is the legit product. You can purchase it and you can join this training course. Also you can also join this training course if you want to build your high profit profitable online business. I highly recommend you can join the first one. You can also join the second one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Guys, our goal is to help you. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe. Thank you and see you soon our next video.